Okay, so welcome back to me and Vivian's new fidget tour with some Halloween fidgets in it. Not really. I think like only a few. Stop. So should we get started? Let's get started with these sticky balls. Here, I'll show you what you do with them. Like that. So that's kind of what you do with them. I have a blue one. I have a red one. A yellow one. And here's a Halloweeny one. A green one. And then there should be an orange one. Oh yeah, I see it. An orange one too. Okay, so that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a sixth one. Vivian, do you have one of them?
No, I just found the blue one.
Here. Oh, and there's a purple one. It was under some squishies. There's the purple one. So yeah, those are my sticky balls. And I'll show you the ones that are Halloween-y-ish. So, 3 Halloween-y ones. Orange, green, purple. So yeah, those are the Halloween-y ones. And then, so I'll put those to the side because we already did those, right? So there's no point in doing them again. So now, my favorite part, the dimples. Woo! We have this unicorn dimple. Here, this will be better.
Yeah, put it where like
I'll put this. I'll cover this up with it. Just the quickest squishy I can find. Okay, so I think that's good. Just woke up. So it's this. Let's listen to the noise. Okay, so it's not that loud. So this is the good side. Let's hear. This is the loud side / good side. So let's hear it. So yeah, and then that was the loud side. Here's the quiet side. So it's not as loud. The loud side's not as quiet. So yeah, there's my unicorn dimple. Vivian's unicorn dimple. My dimples are my favorite. So yeah, there's that. And then I have this fidget spinner one. It has the colors orange, green, purple, blue, and yellow. Oh, and I forgot to say the colors on this one. Purple, yellow, blue, orange, green. So yeah. And then this one, it's a fidget spinner. So yeah. Should we hear the loud side and the quiet side?
I can't believe that just happened. Christmas is not even close.
Okay, so pretty good. Now let's hear the quiet side. Quiet side's here. If we do double like this. So yeah, it's a fidget spinner. So yeah. And then I have this tiny. Look at my my hand compared to it. Yes, it's tiny. Got it off Amazon. I thought it would be like one of those big ones, and it would have the normal like these size bubbles, but it didn't. So, or maybe a little smaller than these, like the normal dimples that are huge like that, and they have these. So here's the loud side. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now here's the quiet side. Can't really hear it. Okay, so those are my dimples. This is also a fidget spinner. This has the color yellow, pink, so yellow, pink, purple, green, orange, and then it repeats them. And then I think this is the good side. Oh yeah. I can do this with it. It's that small. It's like this small. Look. And this is that small.
I bet I can find some stuff like this in the clothing creatorium.
Okay, so that's small. And then I'll be right back with another dimple. I left it in my fidget caddy, but I'll be right back. Okay, back. Okay, so I put Simple Dimple on this. Simple Dimple. Super Simple Dimple. I don't know. It says SSD. So Super Simple Dimple? I don't know. So one side's broken, as you can see, and the other's not. So here's the loud side. Oh, this has the colors like light, like tannish. Not even tannish, like beige. Beige, blue, violet, light green, hot like a pink, red, blue, yellow, purple, red, beige. And then here's the loud side.
Looks like we made it. Lady, this
It's not too loud. And then here's the small side. You could barely hear anything. Here's the loud side again. Here's the quiet side. Okay, so those are my. This is my super simple dimple. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Okay, so let's get on with some more. Some more s'mores. This is a new one. Super cute. Two of them. One for me, one for my sister.
That means I'm right here.
So yes, I love it. Super, it's kind of boxy. I kind of like that though. It's, look, compared to my hand, it's big. And on this side, it's like that. Like these 4 fingers for me. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so super cute. I love the face. The squish is pretty good. So yeah, tell me if you like it or not.
That's so cute.
Now, mine.
Mommy, can I
Squishy pizzas. Okay, so I have a I have two of these, one for me, one for Vivian, but I have a pineapple. But I traded it with my friend, and like till like Friday or something, and she said she put it in my backpack.
No, Charlie.
It's not in there, so I don't know. So yeah, and then here's mine. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here's Vivian's. Whoop, 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 whoop. I like how on the sides it like looks like pizza cheese is like dripping off, you know? One side it does two, the other it does one. So yeah, there are those. And then here's my Halloween squishies. So these go in the Halloween fidgets category. Bo bo. So these are super cute. I think I got them off Amazon. Not totally sure. So yes, I do really like these. I don't know what they are. I think they're Frankenstein. Not sure. Super cute. Yeah. You're 4. Okay. So, I like these. They have the little stitches for Frankenstein. Watch. I like the slow rising ones, but let's see how they are.
Zombies 2 is the great, but I still don't like it.
Let me help you.
It's kind of slow rising. I like that.
Charlie.
I can help you. It's a pretty small town, and I know everyone in it.
Why can I not follow?
Okay, so we did those Frankensteins. Now the scary ghost.
I'm Blake Williams, and I asked Sandra for a new bike. There.
Why I'm giving you 2 of each is because one's my sister's and one's mine. So these are super cute ghosts.
We need to get you some new clothes.
They are slow rising. I do like that.
If you move, you can see.
So yes, these are super cute. Halloween category again. I do like these.
Yes, sir. Where are the others? Others.
It's down the below.
Okay, so those super cute. So now we'll be doing the Dracula and his son. So I think one of these is Dracula and this is his son because they have different color faces. Which one do you think is Dracula and which one do you think is his son?
Mel, you need to go.
Tell me.
Mindy and Cam, they just slid out and stepped out together.
So, yeah.
Well,
One, so they like wobble on the table.
Mel.
So that's really cool. Okay, there. So we're back. I like those.
and my baby brother has 2.
I like this. And okay, it's a cat. It's not in the it's not in the Halloween category, which I kind of like that. That I have a few squishies out of the
Girls,
Halloween category,
hello,
and
man.
so yes.
Wow, that's really quick.